back to Three Little Mermaids. Today I'm going to open up a groovy NEEDOH. And if you don't know what NEEDOHs are, they're just a type of fidget that you just squeeze. So let's get opening. Okay, I opened it. Now let's grab the NEEDOH in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to squeeze it and let's see it. Ready? Whoa, this feels amazing. Like, amazing. It's like, I got this at Walmart, and it's so cool. It's so cool. It's like amazing. It feels so nice. I feel like, look at that, guys. It's a blue NEEDOH. So, yeah. And it feels like there's some sort of like glue or slime inside. I have no idea, but pretty cool. And there's like this white stuff inside because I don't know if you guys can see it, but
yeah, taste it and see if it's good.
you hear that? My dad's cooking, so. This is really cool. A new fidget. I've never had a NEEDOH before, and I've never actually felt a NEEDOH. So I give this 2 thumbs up. If I had more thumbs, then well, there'd be a lot of thumbs up there. But yeah, this is amazing. So yeah, pretty cool. And if you want to get a NEEDOH, go to Amazon, Target, or Walmart, and go and get this NEEDOH because they're super duper fun and awesome. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up. Have a splashing fun time. Bye, NEEDOH!